Okay game, so case number 3 ulit ng partial fraction quadratic. So isa pang example kasi baka hindi nyo na-gets yung nakaraang vid. So 3x squared plus 5x minus 4 over x squared minus 7 and then x plus 1. So ang una nyong gagawin, edi kopyahin nyo tong dalawang to dito. So magiging x squared minus 7 plus x plus 1. Ayan. So dahil nga quadratic to, ang numerator niya ay dapat one term lower, which is linear. Okay? And then dahil linear to, ang numerator niya is one term lower, which is constant. So yun na. Okay. So i-multiply nyo dito sa denominator. So lalagyan nyo dito x squared minus 7 and then x plus 1. Okay? So kapag ito, minultiply nyo dito, kopyahin nyo lang yung numerator. Makakancel lang naman kasi. Gets? And then, etong ax plus b over x squared minus 7, i-multiply nyo dito, makakancel si x squared minus 7. So, matitira si x plus 1. So, ax plus b and then x plus 1. Okay? And then, plus si c over x plus 1, pag tinimes nyo dito, makakancel si x plus 1, ang matitira si x squared minus 7. So, magiging c and then x squared minus 7. Okay? Ang ganun lang. Now, kukunin yung mga eto x plus 1, equate nyo sa 0. So magiging x is equal to negative 1. So ayan yung una. Okay. And then dalawa pa, kasi ilang letter yan? A, B, and C, which means tatlong x value yung kailangan natin. So nahanap na natin yung una, x is equal to negative 1. Kailangan pa natin dalawa. Eto ax. Tandaan nyo pagka may ax, bx, cx, dx, etc. Yung letter, tas may x na nakadikit, lagi kayong mag-equate, lagi kayong magsasubstitute ng x na 0. Okay? Basta ax, bx, cx, laging may 0 isa. So dalawa na. Negative 1 and then 0, so isa pa. Kailangan pa natin mag-isip ng isang x value. So mababa lang dapat. Edi 1 na lang. Gets? Dahil nahanap na natin yung tatlong yan, negative 1, 0, and then 1, lalagay natin siya dito, and then substitution, negative 1. So x is equal to negative 1. I-substitute nyo lang yan sa lahat ng x value dito. Okay? So 3x squared plus 5x minus 4 magiging 3, negative 1 squared plus 5 times negative 1 minus 4. Okay? Equals ax plus b, and then times x plus 1. So magiging a negative 1 plus b, negative 1 plus 1. Okay, gets? Then next, plus c, x squared minus 7. 7 to. So magiging negative 1 squared minus 7. So yan na. Dahil na substitute niya, nabubulol ako, iyan nyo na lang, simplify. So negative 1 squared is 1 times 3 is 3. Negative 1 times 5 is negative 5, and then minus 4. Gets? Equals negative 1 times a is negative a, and then plus b. So negative a plus b. Kaso ito, negative 1 plus 1. So automatically 0 to. Ngayon, itong 0, pag tinimes nyo dito, wala na to. So cancel na yan lahat. Gets? Next, negative 1 squared is 1 minus 7, edi negative 6 times c, edi negative 6c. Okay, next. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Minus 4 is negative 6. Okay, so all that's left is divide both side by negative 6 para ma-cancel. Negative 6 divided by negative 6, c equals 1. Yun, so okay na. Next is x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. So yung equation natin na yan, palitan nyo lang lahat ng x ng 0. So 3x squared plus 5x minus 4 magiging 3 times 0 squared plus 5 times 0 minus 4. Okay? Minus 4. Wait lang. Minus 4. Okay, next. ax plus b times x plus 1. So, gawin yung 0 yung x. Magiging a times 0 plus b and then 0 plus 1. Okay, gets? Then last, plus c, x squared minus 7. So, plus c, x squared minus 7 magiging 0 squared minus 7. And dahil na palit nyo na lahat ng x value as 0, then all that's left is just simplifying. 0 squared is 0 times 3 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. So, matitira negative 4. 8 times 0 is 0. So, wala na yun. And then, b na lang matitira dito. Then, dito, 0 plus 1 is 1. Which means, 1 times b. B na lang. Next, c times 0 squared minus 7. 0 squared is 0 minus 7, edi negative 7 times c, edi negative 7c. Okay? Kaso dito, we already know that c is equal to 1. Edi baling itong 7c magiging 7 quantity 1 na magiging negative 4 equals b, negative 7, then transpose 7 dun sa kabila, magiging negative 4 plus 7 equals b. Kaya mahanap natin si b, which is equal to negative 4 plus 7 is 3. Yun. So, meron na tayong c at b. So, last, x is equal to 1. So, again, same process. Yung equation natin na yun, palitan nyo lang lahat ng x as ng 1. Okay? So, x is equal to 1. Game. 3x squared plus 5x minus 4 magiging 3. 1 squared plus 5, 1 minus 4 equals ax plus b times x plus 1. So, magiging a1 plus b and then 1 plus 1. Okay? Then, next, c times x squared minus 7 magiging plus c times 1 squared minus 7. Ayan na. So, all that's left is simplification. 1 squared times 3 is 3. 5 times 1 is 5 minus 4. Okay, next. A times 1 is A, then plus B. And then ito, A plus B. And then ito, 1 plus 1. Which means, magiging A plus B, tapos may 2. Okay? Then, last, 1 squared is 1, minus 7, and then negative 6, times C. And then negative 6C. Okay? So, ayusin natin to. 3 plus 5 is 8, minus 4, edi 4. A plus B, then may 2 sa gilid, distributive, magiging 2A plus 2B. Okay? Minus 6C. Now, ito na yung last step. Alam natin ang value na C, which is 1. Alam din natin ang value ni B, which is 3. So, papalitan natin yan. Itong B, gagawin natin 3. And then, itong C, gagawin natin 1. Okay? So, 2A plus 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. And then, negative 6 times 1 is negative 6. Okay? And then, may 4 dito sa gilid. Kaso, positive 6 minus 6, edi 0 na to. Gets? So, 2A over 4 na lang yan. And then, last step, divide both sides by 2. So, makakuha natin na A is equal to 2. Kasi 4 divide 2 is 2. So, dahil nakuha na natin ang value ni A, B, and C, A is 2, B is 3, C is 1. So, 2, 3, 1. Babalik tayo sa original natin given, ax plus b over x squared minus 7 plus c over x plus 1. Then, ipapalit lang natin yung value na nakuha natin. So, a is equal to 2. So, magiging 2 to. Okay? B is equal to 3. So, magiging 3 to. And then, c is equal to 1. Magiging 1 to. Okay? And this is the answer. Okay, ganun lang kasimple. 3x squared plus 5x minus 4 over x squared minus 7 times x plus 1. Ang partial fraction ay 2x plus 3 over x squared minus 7 plus 1 over x plus 1. So, ito yung sagot. Okay? So, ganun lang kadali ang quadratic. Step by step. Kagaya lang din siya ng case 1 and then case 2. Ang may iba lang yung format ng pagkakasulat. Ax plus b, bx plus c. Ayun. So, dapat tama. Laging tandaan na kung quadratic ang ilalim, dapat ang taas nyo linear. Okay? Kung ang ilalim nyo is linear, ang taas nyo is constant. Ayun, ganun lang. So, sa next vid, repeated quadratic na medyo mahaba, pero madali lang din. So, ayun lang. Salamat.